Finally, our Pro version has been activated. Now we can use all the Pro features from here. Now let's enable our custom fields filter. Save changes. Now reload the shop page and you will see all the custom fields filter has been added to our shop page. And now let's try with our filter URL with permalinks, which is best for SEO. And click save changes. Now if you go SEO and permalink setup, here you can see our permalinks, prefixes. As we have enabled our custom fields filter, that's why these options are also here. We can add also prefix for them, and there is option for enable SEO. And from here you can make your filter indexable, which is best for SEO, and enter SEO title, SEO description and SEO keywords. That's how permalinks will do best SEO for your site. Now let's go to our shop page and reload the page. Let's do filter. The filter URL coming with permalink, and if you filter with price range, they're coming like this. That's how permalinks appears. So let's go back to our dashboard and let's go to form manage, and here is more option, show loader, and let's enable show loader. And you can customize this in our Pro version. You can add custom CSS or can use any of them. Let's choose half ring and click save changes. Now click save changes. Now let's go to shop page. Now if you do filter, you will say half ring as loader. That's how it works. So let's go back. We have also some advanced feature in form style, as if we go to our category option, here in checkbox you can use button check. Click save changes. Now let's see, category is coming with button check. There is more advanced feature in here. Let's go to price and you can use input price range. Let's try. Click save changes and reload the shop page, and here you can see our price range. So let's go back. We have also advanced feature for rating, and let's go with dynamic rating, which is our advanced feature. Let's click save changes. Now let's go to shop page and reload the page and see our ratings are coming with dynamic rating. Let's show some filter. So we have more feature like this in our font style. So next option is font template. Here you can use all the premium template. You can preview them before activation. So close the preview. Our next option is SEO and permalink setup, and we have shown its feature. So let's go to our next option, advanced settings. From here you can exclude custom fields, as you have excluded our attributes. In advanced feature, most important part is import and export settings. You can export full settings and can import them to any site. And from here you can reset all the settings. Now I'll show you how you can do this. At first I will export our full filter settings. Let's do it. Export. And now I will reset all the settings. Okay. Now let's go to our shop page and reload the page. See, all the settings has gone. Now let's go back to our dashboard. In advanced settings, now I will import our exported file. Click import. Now let's go to our shop page and reload the page, and see, the settings is again here. That's how it works. So I have tried to cover up all the free and premium features of our plugin, and there is many more. They are coming soon. You'll get update. So if you face any difficulties, please don't forget to read our documentation. Still, if you got any issue, then please contact in our support. So thanks for watching the video.